Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable GZIP compression in your WordPress website. So first go to your WordPress dashboard and then on the left panel hover over the plugins, click on add new plugin. Now on the search bar here search for cache, and this is the plugin we are gonna install, W3 total cache. Just click on that, activate. Now on the left panel hover over the performance and then go to the browser cache, click on that. Now just click on skip. Now on the left panel go to the browser cache and then scroll down. So just tick mark this GZIP compression. After that go to the top right corner, click on save settings. Now copy your domain and then paste the link here and then click on test URL, and then here you can see GZIP is enabled. So this is the site we are gonna use to check the GZIP compression. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.